It's good? Good boy.
Lose if you don't relax. I might just play some Sade.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, dude. I was coming with the
chest and leave the rest up to the Lakers. Fully clothed, I leave the minus soul to be naked. Ain't trusting everybody, but you ain't everybody. Different to the touch with us, we don't have to rush. No less, I'll put away my pride, and you already have my trust. Already got your heart, so makes no difference if we fuck. Come and stay a little while till love comes down. I do my very best to make you proud. So how about now I say that all my love is all I have. You worship and I'll relax. I'll meet you there and don't go past that. With your mind at ease, the quest of you got me. Quest of opportunity, unless you get the best of me. Truth when life is you live must be sure to taste the juice and caress and cherish the fruit. Crumbling from all the L's you've been fumbling with. Mad at me for your malfunction and shit. Cause all they wanna rap about is money, cars, clothes, stripper posts. How they was thugs and inner city school zones, knowing that they mom beat they ass when they got home. That's a sad song, well at least your dad's home. And I'm not with all the negative shit. We can help each other get ahead of the shit. And you's a clown ass nigga if you think that your drip is ever getting wetter than this. But it's understandable, you niggas clutching your pearls. I hunt like a cannibal, ain't no planning, no intervals. When this kid is unflammable, just let it go. Send them separate notes how I killed and I okey doke. Then I'm up and out of there. I probably move like I am not aware, but I'm aware. I see they stop and stare when I step down the stairs. I truly appreciate niggas that try to hate, fake and congratulate, try to be anguish, just to wanna be graduate. Who advocates for adolescents about depression, mental health, and about them stressing. I wish that I could stop oppression. Fuck what y'all think of my discretion while I'm out here pressing buttons. Phone be buzzing, act like fam, they not my cousins. They just loving what? In my city, they don't really get two fucks. They just work for bucks and they try they luck. And you see how they divide us up. This a gift to your birthday as I light y'all up. And the AK-47 is my pen untucked. And these bars made of metal, watch I pin them up. I break necks, they upset when I object. Now the bride is a mess, fuck the bouquet. I'ma lead, not follow, fuck the Kool-Aid. Just mix it with the vodka and the mermaid. I break necks, they upset when I object. Now the bride is a mess, fuck the bouquet. I'ma lead, not follow, fuck the Kool-Aid. Just mix it with the vodka and the mermaid. Shit. Wait, shit. Ain't gotta watch on my wrist. I don't got a chain that go bliss. Listen, pay attention to the shit that you miss. Nah, I don't flash on shit. Let the cash come quick, then we stash that shit. Gon' waste the blunt, then just pass that shit. But before you pass, can you ash that bitch? I be out here breaking necks when I bust a rhyme. And she'll be breaking down my weed after I bust her spine. And you be lying if you say you do the same. I be saying shit that be fucked rockin' with the brain. I mean, I think that's why they like me, cause the drip be on icy. Got the juice like a icy. Or a Tropicana, I've been dropping heat. Nah, I'm not a planner, I'm a hot potato. Hopping on the scene and burn the hands off of anybody trying to stop the kid. Please don't make me mad before I pop the lid. Invest my money and I cop a crib. Get the bed, the crib for the baby and the pot, the piss. With the lobster and the butter, dip sauce. Out of this world, yelling lift off. Yes, I'm coming through, don't you dip off. Don't fuck with me, yes, I'm the shit. And you just pissed off.
My name so he wanted, so got down, so smooth, so on a move, so gotta groove.